In the last decade or so, the pace of technological change has certainly been accelerated.
Our economies and societies are constantly reshaped by powerful global megatrends, and technology remains the dominant broad theme. And the APAC region is at the forefront of various technological fields.
APEC investors are increasingly focused on the US tech market because the region's robust tech spending and innovation, particularly in semiconductors and artificial intelligence.
Tech companies have also not just been outperforming, but have been growing their bottom line so much that they now represent a bigger and bigger slice of the stock market in terms of things like earnings, revenues, dividends, buybacks, cash flow. All the metrics that investors care about at the end of the day are recognizing that the tech sector is the biggest and most important space to deliver that type of fundamental growth in today's modern economy.
The US continues to dominate in the fabless market, while Asia Pacific holds a strong position in the fabrication phase, with the strongest foundries producing the most advanced semiconductors.
All of these new technology developments are leading the future of tomorrow and building the large companies that lead the 21st century.
Nasdaq offers a range of thematic indexes covering a wide range of technological breakthroughs, including AI, robotics, semiconductors, and cybersecurity.
Nasdaq indexes are built to evolve with these trends. From the Nasdaq 100 to thematic strategies, we're helping investors, regardless of their geography or experience, participate in that innovation economy and build resilient portfolios for the future.
One example is something like the Philex Semiconductor Index, which has over 30 years of history. That index, ticker SOX, tracks the 30 largest US semiconductor companies. We've also been developing products like that with the launch of the Nasdaq AI Semiconductor Index, ASOX. That product relies on thematic revenue classification to determine which companies in the semiconductor space have the greatest exposure to AI at any given one point in time.
Nasdaq's SOX and ASOX indexes have allowed us to lead in semiconductor exposure. With our Philadelphia Semiconductor ETF in 2021, and most recently, the Philadelphia AI Semiconductor ETF in 2024. We've consistently introduced products that reflect long-term, forward-looking themes like AI, semiconductors, and global technology, making it easier for investors to participate in the future of tech.
So here at Nasdaq, we pride ourselves on being collaborative partners with our clients to bring a product from the earliest stages of ideation all the way through to live performance, asset gathering, and ultimately success.
The Nasdaq Index has been serving as a foundation for many of our innovative ETF products, providing exposure to high-growth tech sectors and enabling the development of income-enhanced and actively managed strategies. The Codex US Nasdaq AI Tech ETF was created to capitalize on a rapid growth and investor interest in the AI sector. Its innovative approach, combining concentrated stock selection with a rapid IPO inclusion, distinguishes it from traditional tech ETFs.
We are committed to helping our clients and our partners grow assets and deepen their investor engagement to bring the solutions that those investors need to grow their portfolios.
The Nasdaq 100 has a track record extending more than 40 years at this point, and its systematic, transparent methodology always keeps up with the largest, most innovative companies that are choosing to list on Nasdaq.
Nasdaq index is very attractive for Japanese investors. They want to take exposure to US companies, especially the tech sector. But I think the difficulties in investing into individual stocks is that you need to know about that company. In that sense, Nasdaq 100 index features global brand of technologies and provides streamlined solutions to US tech sector. and that contributes to investors' confidence. We are the first ETF issuer to issue a Nasdaq ETF with Japanese yen currency hedge. It leads its category in terms of AUM and trading volume.
We're really excited to see the broadening adoption of our indexes, not just in the US, but in many different global markets. Especially in recent years, we've seen a lot of investor interest in markets as varied as South Korea, Brazil, and Germany. Investors associate Nasdaq with some of the most innovative companies in the world, and more in today's day and age, they associate Nasdaq indexes with being some of the most innovative benchmarks in the world too.
Our partnership with Nasdaq has been a major driver of innovation and global relevance. We are focused on making big global trends accessible so investors can participate in the stories shaping our future.
At Nasdaq, we're not just responding to the trends shaping the future, we're helping lead them, and we're building the partnerships that create the entire liquidity ecosystem. Our goal is to continue delivering index solutions that are forward-looking, resilient, and built for the next generation of investors.